Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. Today we're going to be making pulled pork sandwiches with sauteed vegetables. And we also have a nice coleslaw that we've made too. So first thing first, we roasted our pork in the oven. We let it cool, then we shredded it with by hand, just using a couple of forks, and combined it with our scratch-made barbecue sauce. We're going to cut to a clip of us making the barbecue sauce in another application, but it's the same sauce. So we'll cut to that. You can check that out and then use that for this application, and then we'll get started sauteing here in the pan. So we've already got our barbecue sauce simmering away here on the stove because it takes just a little while to prepare, but once you make it, you've got it. You can use it for this recipe application, or if you increase the recipe, you can make enough and store it in the fridge for a couple of weeks. So inside of this pot we have some Coke Zero, some low sodium ketchup, apple cider vinegar, honey, liquid smoke, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. So that's what we've got in here. We've just whisked it all together and we've got it simmering away on the stove. You just want to do it, let all the flavors kind of come together. You can see a little bit of steam coming off. And you just want to taste it. You may need to adjust some of the seasonings to your own liking, but for the most part you can just let it simmer away and it'll be ready when we need it in just a little bit. Okay, so we've got oil heating up. The skillet's on about medium high. We've got some broccoli florets and a little bit of cauliflower. We're going to go right in the pan with those. Season with a little bit of salt. A little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. This is just going to be a real quick saute to pair with our pulled pork sliders and our coleslaw. Our coleslaw is right here. We've got our cabbage, a little bit of chopped onion, mayonnaise, some vinegar, some sugar, salt, pepper. And you just want to chill this before serving. So it's ready to go, it's been chilled. Alright, I added just a splash of water to this. It's just going to help them kind of cook up just a little bit. You can see your broccoli turns bright green. This is just about done. Alright, so you can kill the heat. Set aside. And basically now all there is to do is assemble our sliders, plate them up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.